Wally. Oh, drink some milk, you Wally, to stop your erection, eh?
So many seeds.
He's a right Wally. I'm not putting it on YouTube, but I'll keep it for you to watch in the future. What do you think's in them?
Don't rub your eyes.
Like I'm on fire. It feels like I'm gonna stab me.
Don't bite your tongue, you Wally. You shouldn't touch your eyes. See your tongue? It's bright red, like it's gonna bleed.
It feels like I'm being stabbed.
Why did you do it? What a Wally!
Oh, I need a drink.
Well, have a drink. Just wait till it comes out your bum or your man will be getting a video of this.
Don't breathe in through your mouth. That makes it worse.
Breathe out through your mouth.
I know the block.
What?
Oh!
Somebody hold my iPad and then I'll go and get my tissue.
You want the Scotch bonnet or something?
Hips.
Do you want to eat one of
It
these?
felt hot.
thanks.
Quite hot, aren't
It
you?
been
What can you do one then?
You have one. Not video you.
Oh,
Do one
oh.
then. Not when it's
Have a nibble. Go on, John.
No, when
I know the
it's
burn off, don't I? That way, do you not want to eat something
Oh.
that way? It needs to burn your face off.
when it's done.
That's why Lona was like, oh, I'm going to eat one of those. Oh, can I eat one? And I was like, yeah, if you want. Because I know they burn you. Lona didn't think it was hot.
It was nice of Dad to remind you to come down and eat one, wasn't it?
I didn't. I asked him if he wanted to do it. I didn't say yeah. It's funny. Try that. Yeah. You're still wasting video.
Yeah.
Not all your memory.
That's horrible.
You doing it again?
Maybe another day.
And I have
It's all on the side of your tongue and the whole tongue and the roof of your mouth.
It's because you didn't swallow
it feels like
You're
someone's stabbing
the
it.
idiotic Americans. You like,
It's still burning.